Stop trading your time for money. Seriously. What if I told you there's a way to get paid while you sleep? This isn't a scam, it's the secret weapon of the rich, dividend stocks. In the next 60 seconds, I'm unlocking how they work and how you can start. Think of it like this. When you buy a share of a good dividend company, like a major soft drink company or a tech giant, you become a tiny owner. And what do owners get? A cut of the profits. That cut is the dividend. It's money deposited directly into your account every quarter or even every month. This is true passive income. The real magic happens when you let that money compound, buying even more shares. That small initial investment starts snowballing into a massive cash machine over time. But here's the key: not all dividends are created equal. You need stable, strong companies, the dividend kings, that have been paying and raising their payouts for decades. Finding them is the secret. It's the difference between a side hustle that burns you out and a portfolio that pays you forever. Ready to build that cash machine? Don't wait. We're diving deeper into my top 3 beginner-friendly dividend stocks next week. Hit the subscribe button now and tap the bell so you don't miss the names that will start paying you to sleep. Follow the Fund Flow channel for more.